Okay, this is Caden's favorite thing. We love to kick and shake and look at ourselves in the mirror. As you can see, Mom has pinned up the mirror so that Caden can see himself. Yeah. Let's see some action, Caden. Some exercising. Yeah, nice. Nice. Get it going. Yeah. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Come on, bud. Kick it out. Yeah. Woo. Yay. Yeah. You're just cracking yourself up. You sure are. You sure are. Can you see who that baby is? Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Who is that baby? Yes. Good fun. Good fun in the jungle gym. Woo. There we are. Mm-hmm.